In this video, I will show you how to see your purchase history on Steam. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To see your purchase history, all you need to do is open up Steam and log into your account. Once you're logged in, come up to the top, you're going to see your name up here where it says manage account. Give that a click to bring up this menu, and then what you want to do is come and click onto account details. Now once you've done that, you'll be taken across to your account page, and from here, if you look at the top in the store and purchase history section, you look to the right of your wallet balance, you're going to see some options, and there's an option there for your purchase history. So all you need to do is simply give that a click, and on here you're going to find your purchase history. So you can scroll through, you can see the dates, times and prices and all your purchases on Steam, including not just games but things like wallet credit and things like that as well. So that is how to see your purchase history on Steam. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.